Okay, in this lesson we will be looking at how to simplify radicals that have variables in them when you are multiplying them. And so we will just do a couple quick problems here together. Here you can see that you have two radicals that you are trying to multiply. Um, you might be tempted to simplify each one separately and then multiply them, which you totally could do, but it's actually going to end up creating more work for you. What I would suggest is that you multiply these together first and then simplify them. Okay, if you're going to add radicals, you have to have the same number underneath the radical, but to multiply them, you don't. Just think if you were to multiply y to the third times y, or y to the second times y to the third, that would end up giving you y to the fifth. When they're both underneath the radical, you do the same thing, only you put that underneath the radical. So in this case, I will add the y to the 15th and the y to the 7th, or add the exponents, and get y to the 22nd. And now I can go ahead and break that down. Okay, so this is where you're going to think about this little imaginary 2 right here. And you'll take y to the 22 divided by 2, which is just y to the 11th power. And I did end up with an odd exponent on an even index, so I will go ahead and put that in absolute value. Okay, so that would be my final answer there. And then here again, I will simplify these first. So I will multiply the coefficients that are out in front first. So the 5 times the 20 is 100. And then with the y's, I will add the exponents so that I have y to the 16th. And then you can think about doing this separately as the square root of 100 and the square root of y to the 16th. Well, the square root of 100 is 10, and the square root of y to the 16th, remember there's this little 2 right here, so you're going to go y to the 16 divided by 2, which is just y to the 8th, no longer underneath a radical. And that would be your answers there.